Hello guys. Welcome to Wow Hotel Reviews. Today I am reviewing 24 Rolling House. It's a non-star hotel. Please use our booking.com link in description to book the hotel and get special pricing. Some of the most popular facilities are one swimming pool, free parking, free Wi-Fi and a non-smoking rooms. 24 Rolling House offers accommodations in Orlando, 13 miles from Disney's Hollywood Studios and 14 miles from Epcot. It is located 13 miles from Disney's Boardwalk and has free Wi-Fi and free private parking. The vacation home is composed of 4 separate bedrooms, a fully equipped kitchen with a dishwasher and a microwave, and 3 bathrooms. Disney Springs is 15 miles from the vacation home, while Disney's Magic Kingdom is 17 miles from the property. The nearest airport is Orlando International Airport, 30 miles from 24 Rolling House. Use our link in description to get special discount on this hotel. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel.